Have you ever caught yourself grinding your teeth without even realizing it? It's like your jaw is throwing a secret dance party while you're busy with your daily activities. It is something that happens unconsciously. Grinding teeth can happen while lifting your weights and also for various reasons like stress, anger, anxiety, or just a way to release your tension. It's like your jaw's coping strategy or a habit that it can't resist. But here's the deal. Detecting teeth grinding is super important because it can lead to enamel wear down, teeth sensitivity, jaw pain, headaches, and severe dental damage. So let's be proactive and identify teeth grinding early and take steps to prevent further damage and protect our precious pearly whites and keep our oral health in check.